defense calls Sam Mott.
Take your seat, if you could please raise your right hand. My clerk will swear you in. Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you're about to give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. You may be seated.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Officer Mott.
Good afternoon.
Where do you work?
Grand Rapids Police Department.
How long have you worked there?
Approximately 4 years.
Okay, and what's your title and describe your job duties?
I'm a patrol officer on our day shift.
Okay. And were you on duty on April 4th, 2022?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you receive a call to respond to a scene involving a shooting by a police officer, Christopher Schurr?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you received that call, were you in your car?
Yes, sir.
All right. Was anybody with you at that time?
Yes, sir. I was doubled up with a partner.
What does that mean?
It was 2 officers in 1 car.
Do you recall who was with you?
Yes, sir.
Who was that?
Officer Jordan Grace.
Okay. Did you respond to the scene?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'd like you to tell us what you saw as you arrived in your car.
As I pulled up to the scene, Sergeant Tim Johnston was pulling up as well. We saw Chris standing a couple houses down in the block to our north. He was standing in the middle of the street, and we couldn't see anything else other than another vehicle with an individual standing on the passenger side of that vehicle.
Okay. And you want to refer to Chris, you're talking about Officer Schurr?
Yes, sir.
Had you ever met Officer Schurr before?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you guys friends? How do you describe your relationship with him?
We played basketball a couple of times when we weren't at work.
Okay, so kind of just somebody you might hang out with playing basketball, but no deeper relationship than that?
Correct.
All right. Now, you say you played basketball with him. Have you ever seen him exert himself playing basketball?
Yes, sir.
Could you describe his level of physical fitness?
He had excellent cardio. He was one of the few guys that would continue to run the entire time we were playing.
Was he in better shape than you or worse shape?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay. So as you approached the scene, did you get out of your cruiser?
Yes, sir.
And did you have an opportunity to engage with Officer Schurr?
I did.
Can you please describe what you saw as far as Officer Schurr's physical condition when you engaged with him?
As I approached Officer Schurr, he was standing on the rear passenger side of a vehicle that was parked along the curb. Officer Schurr appeared to be out of breath, and he was having trouble making any comments towards us, and he looked absolutely exhausted. He was kind of looking down towards the ground. At that point, I told Officer Schurr to go take a breather.
Okay. Did you follow up with him at a later time?
No, sir.
Okay. You also mentioned that there was another individual at the scene that you were concerned about and other officers were engaging with. It was the passenger of that car?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you have a chance to interact with that passenger?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please tell us what you observed when you talked to the passenger of the car.
I took possession of the passenger, placed him in cuffs. As I was walking him back to the car, he appeared very intoxicated. He smelled of alcohol and continuously asked me if his friend was okay.
Okay. And you placed him in the back of a patrol car?
Yes, sir.
Did you obtain his phone for evidence?
Yes, sir.
And you preserved it for such?
Yes, sir. I placed it in airplane mode.
Nothing further. No questions?
I don't see any hands raised on the jury. May this witness be excused, Mr. Colville?
You may, Your Honor.
No objection.
No objection, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. You're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Defense may call your next witness.
lobby.